In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload video to your Sway. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. You can click on the Add Content. You can upload from your computer or your device. You can upload from OneDrive. Okay, you can upload from OneDrive. You can drag your video onto the screen, or oops, you can add a link. So if you click the link and you put Elf, I'm going to name this Elf on the Shelf West Style. And then you take the link for that and you put it into that box. You click OK, and now you have a link that will show up with this heading card. So let's preview that. I test it out a million times so I can make changes if I want to. Okay, so it has what you want it to say, and then you can click on this and watch the YouTube video. Now, as promised, I just wanted to show you a couple of things where you can change the whole style of your Sway if you'd like. And this is where you can play around. You'll click on Design. You'll click on Styles. You could change it to be all vertical to when you scroll horizontally, or you can have it as kind of like a slideshow. Okay, you can customize by clicking on that, and you could use all of these different color templates that you want. These are very kind of decorative. So sometimes I think for me, less is more because it kind of interferes with the presentation. So you could see this, let's see what this preview is like. So it kind of takes away from some of your background. It all depends on what your purpose is. But I like the way that it kind of sets them up a little bit, like little business cards. But they play a little differently too. Okay, so I'm going to go back to try to get it back to what it was. You can also use this remix button and it will kind of, you know, do it for you. And this one is on a vertical scroll. So, you know what? Play around. I'm sorry, horizontal scroll. Play around, see what you like, and pick your final one. Thank you.